Why do so many Land Rover Defender owners choose to replace the 700-watt Meridian sound system? Compared with stereo and surround effects, the 700-watt surround effect makes us feel more stage-like, as if we are at a concert. We added a tweeter in the center, which belongs to the SOS speaker of the original car and cannot produce sound. After we installed the 700 watts TH, A formed a surround sound field in the center, which is equivalent to adding 4 speakers to the whole car and 2 to the trunk. The surround speakers are reserved in the original car and can be installed directly by drilling holes. We programmed the Land Rover Engineer software E to add stereo and Meridian surround effects to the audio menu. In addition to adding surround effects to the upgraded speakers, the door speakers also, it has been improved. The Land Rover Defender is already very noisy. How can it cover it up without good speakers in the car? We supply all the Jaguar Land Rover OEM spare parts upgrade kits with wiring harnesses and remote coding with the JetMaster tool, the JLR engineering tool via remote support. Learn more details at jlr-retrofit.com. Thank you.